Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both account and assets so the link works. Sign into Gemini, enable link sharing in settings, and make sure your photos are JPG or PNG under 20 MB. Once done, open the Gemini photo editor and load the images you want to share. Select the specific edit state or version you need. You're creating a shareable snapshot of the edit so collaborators see the exact result. This reduces back and forth and preserves metadata and applied adjustments. Next, configure the sharing details to control access and editability. Choose whether the link is view-only or allows others to edit. Editable links permit collaborative adjustments but require trust. Then set permissions, add an expiration date, optional password, or restrict to specific domains or users so the link isn't public. Once configured, click Generate and copy the link. Test it in an incognito window to confirm permission behavior and that the correct edit state loads, because this prevents unexpected access issues later. Now share the link and close the loop. Paste it into your chosen channel, chat, email, or a project tracker, and include concise instructions, which layer or adjustment to review, target resolution, and deadlines. Make sure recipients know whether they can edit or only comment. Once shared, monitor activity and lock or revoke the link when the work is done to protect assets. If someone reports the link doesn't open, recheck permissions and expiration. Regenerate the link and resend if necessary to restore access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.